How to secure a teaching assistantship or research assistantship. Embarking on the journey towards higher education is an exhilarating experience, and securing a teaching or research assistantship can significantly enhance this academic adventure. Not only do these assistantships provide financial support, but they also offer invaluable experience and skills that can shape your future career. Here's a detailed guide to help you navigate the path to obtaining a teaching or research assistantship. Understand the role and its benefits. Before applying, it's crucial to understand what a teaching or research assistantship entails. Teaching assistantships typically involve assisting professors with instructional responsibilities, grading, or tutoring. Research assistantships, on the other hand, focus on supporting faculty with their research projects. Both roles offer a unique opportunity to deepen your understanding of your field, develop practical skills, and build a network with academics and peers. Research and identify opportunities. Start by exploring the departments and programs at your prospective colleges. Look for information on their websites about available assistantships. Reach out to department heads or faculty members to inquire about potential opportunities. This proactive approach not only demonstrates your interest but also helps you stand out as a candidate. Build a strong academic record. A solid academic performance is often a prerequisite for assistantships. Focus on maintaining a high GPA and excelling in courses related to your field of interest. This strong academic foundation will make you a more competitive candidate. Gain relevant experience. Prior experience in teaching or research can significantly enhance your application. Consider volunteering, interning, or working in roles that align with the responsibilities of an assistantship. This experience will not only boost your resume but also provide practical skills that are highly valued in these positions. Develop strong relationships with professors. Building rapport with your professors can be incredibly beneficial. Attend office hours, participate actively in class, and express your interest in their research or teaching methods. Professors who know you well are more likely to recommend you for assistantship positions. Craft a compelling application. When applying, ensure that your application materials are polished and tailored to the specific assistantship. Your resume should highlight relevant experience and skills, while your cover letter should articulate your interest and suitability for the role. Additionally, secure strong letters of recommendation from professors or professionals who can vouch for your capabilities. Prepare for interviews. If selected for an interview, prepare thoroughly by researching the department and understanding the specific responsibilities of the assistantship. Be ready to discuss your academic background, relevant experience, and how the assistantship aligns with your career goals. Practice common interview questions and, if possible, conduct mock interviews to build confidence. Showcase soft skills and enthusiasm. In addition to technical skills, soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and problem solving are crucial for success in assistantship roles. During your application and interviews, demonstrate these skills and convey your enthusiasm for learning and contributing to the academic community. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of securing a teaching or research assistantship that will enrich your educational experience and lay a strong foundation for your future career. Remember, persistence and preparation are key. Good luck as you embark on this exciting journey towards higher education. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.